Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by unlocking the device and preparing for accessibility gestures. With Talkback active, navigate using a single finger to explore and double tap to activate. Scroll with 2 fingers. Once you're on the home screen, perform a 2-finger swipe down to reveal quick settings and double tap the gear icon to open settings. Make sure to listen for spoken feedback that confirms each selection. This gets you into settings without disabling Talkback yet and primes you for the accessibility menu where the toggle lives. Once inside settings, navigate to accessibility using the same gestures. Explore with 1 finger and double tap to open sections. Scroll with 2 fingers until you hear Talkback or screen reader announced, then stop and double tap to open that item settings. You'll find a toggle or switch labeled Talkback. Again, use a single finger explore to locate it and double tap to activate the control. Doing this reveals the on/off switch and any shortcuts, so you know exactly where to disable the service and why it was responding to your touches. To finish, double tap the Talkback toggle to turn the service off and listen for the confirmation message. If a confirmation dialog appears, double tap confirm. Make sure to test basic navigation with single finger taps afterward. You should regain normal touch behavior. If the toggle won't respond, try the stated shortcut, often both volume keys held for 3 seconds, to disable Talkback or reboot the device. If nothing helps, boot into safe mode and disable the accessibility service from settings. This troubleshooting tip resolves most stubborn cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.